coffee on your sleeve. You laugh it off, I breathe. Your keys on the table, my shoes in the hall. Little offbeat habits still somehow match it all.
This is the sound of us. Mornings that never rush. Mismatched mugs and tangled sheets. Your quiet hum on repeat. This is the sound of us, breaking and building trust. Every small imperfect touch, the sound of us. Dishes in the sink. We're talking too much to think. You're ranting about your day. I'm lost in how you move, how you wave your hands. Try so hard to prove. This is the sound of us. Mornings that never rush. Mismatched mugs and tangled sheets. Your quiet hum